Welcome to this Transforming Learning video on assigning books in Book Creator. This short video will cover how to assign a book to pupils so that they each have their own copies to work on. Firstly, make sure the book that you want to share is in a shared library. In this example, this is my Health and Wellbeing library. In the settings, you'll have a number of options which you can toggle on or off depending on the purposes of your shared library. Here, I don't want anyone else to be able to read each other's book, so I've toggled that option to off, but you can decide which options will work best for you. You're going to add students to your library, and when you click on the Add Student button, you'll see that a code pops up on the screen. Share this with your learners so that they can add this to their own Book Creator account, and they will then have access to your library. At the bottom, there is a Share button. When I press on this, a number of options pop up. We're going to assign the book in a second, but I just want to draw your attention to the word collaborate. It's slightly different than assigning a book because collaborate means that your learners will be able to work on shared books, whereas we want to assign each learner their own copy. So I'm going to click the button Assign, and the automatic default is that the book that you are assigning will go to everyone in the library. For our purposes, that's absolutely fine, but there may be occasions where you want to assign certain books to certain learners. In that case, you would click on the drop-down arrow and select the learners that you want the book to go to. I don't have any learners in this library, but you will have your class as part of that list, and you can tick the names of those that you want to receive the book. But I'm happy for everyone in the library to have access to this book. So simply, I'm going to click Assign, and that will mean that everyone in the library will have their own copies of the book so that they can work through the tasks and I can check in on progress.